Kung may cash ka ngayon at nakatambay lang, may tahimik na kumakain yan. Ang pangit ng term kumakain, no? Pero ang tawag doon is inflation, no? Sa Pilipinas, nasa around 6.8% ang latest inflation natin sa Pilipinas dito, no? Simple meaning is yung value ng pera mo humihina over time. Kung dati, yung 100 pesos mo, may nabibili na, next year baka kailangan mo ng 107 pesos para makabili on the same thing. Kaya kung puro ipon lang at walang investment, safe tingnan. Pero talo ka sa purchasing power. Hindi ko sinasabing ubusin mo pera mo sa investment, mali yun. Ang point ko, kailangan mo ng may plano. Example, companies like ICT, historically malakas ang growth niya. May dividends pa, meaning may potential ka kumita from price growth and cash payout, no? Then may crypto naman, higher risk. Pero higher potential din kung marunong ka pumili at hindi ka basta hype lang. So ang goal mo or ang goal na investing is hindi agad yumaman overnight, you know? Ang goal is protektahan mo yung value ng pera mo habang lumilipas ang panahon. Kasi kung ang inflation tumatakbo, dapat yung pera mo hindi natutulog. You need to learn first before investing, no? Kasi you need to study stocks, you need to study crypto, understand risk, matuto ka bago ka kumita, no? And what I want you to do right now is I need you to learn small and win big.